Welcome back friends to our brand new vlog. Back to back food vlogs and now time for some exciting travel vlogs. Unfortunately, not like previous days where it was bright and sunny, today we wake up to a cloudy morning. We are in Shillong and here in Northeast, sun rises early and it's around 6 o'clock in the morning. Nevertheless, this cloudy weather can't really damp our excitement to travel new places. We will soon get ready and leave early to avoid the tourist crowd. So be with us, hold on your grip, like the vlog and get ready to visit the famous Elephant Falls. And soon we got ready and let us reach Elephant Falls in this super hyperlapse mode. Soon we got excited seeing the weather getting brighter, but deep down we all know how fast weather changes here. I mean, not faster than this hyperlapse. And see, we reached our destination in no time. I wish it could have been in real. और जिसका डर था वही हुआ. The moment we reached there, it started to rain like anything. Like it was impossible for us to step out of the car and we need to wait nearly for half an hour praying for the rain to stop drizzling that fast. Seeing other tourists leaving, getting tired of waiting made us depressed. But soon thankfully, it started to drizzle slow and we rented our umbrella from a nearby tourist outlet. It cost us 20 per umbrella per hour. So it is advisable to carry your own umbrella with you, and here in Shillong you just can't really guess when it will start drizzling. This Elephant Fall is basically a two-tier waterfall in Shillong. This mountain stream descends through two successive falls in fern-covered rocks. It is only few steps down you will reach the first fall of the two. Thanks to the highly commercialized tourism here, at least the maintenance of these tourist spots are done well. Now the one which you are seeing is the first fall of the two, and as per Google, this fall is an example of horsetail punch bowl waterfall. Honestly, I have no idea why it is so. It is raining here and the rocks are very slippery, so it is quite scary to shoot this coming closer to the edge. I found out that this fall is broader than the second one but is mostly covered in trees. It was only a minute after we started to move towards the second fall. It is only a few steps down you come over a foot-over bridge which gives you the waterfall view. To the right is the first tier of the Elephant Falls and to the left is the second. The Elephant Fall is itself a two-tier fall, and walking few steps down you will get to see the last waterfall which is specially famous as Elephant Falls. Let me give you a brief history of this waterfall. The original Khasi name of this is Kashed La Patang Hosei. I mean, yeah, it's difficult to pronounce and I might be wrong in pronunciation. It is only in the British era this name came as Elephant Falls, when an Englishman spotted a giant rock that looked like an elephant near the falls. However, the rock got destroyed in 1987 earthquake. If you consider both the tiers of this second waterfall, it is much taller than the first one. We are here in April, and if you come in monsoon, you will get to see the real beauty of this waterfall. At that time, it will give you a feeling of Dudhsagar waterfall in Goa, which looks like milky water flowing down the ferny rocks. Amazing view. I hope you have liked the vlog. Please, it took us hell of an effort to reach here in this rainfall. Plus do like the video, subscribe the channel for more vlogs to come in. See you up in next vlog. Tata.